How to turn off or on accepted follow request notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on accepted follow request notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile. Here in the bottom corner, click on it and then click the storylines and stop corner, and then click settings. Now here you will find notifications, click on it, and then here you will see following and followers, and as you see here you will find it accepted follow requests. Now all you need to do, if you want to turn it off, just click this one, first one, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.